Hello and welcome to the first day of the 12 days of Multichromas. I'm so excited for the 12 videos all about multichromes. Today I'm going to be comparing two multichromes that are the same shift but from different brands. On the lid I have a bunch of videos up like this already and I will link them down in the description box in case you're interested. But today's going to be probably my favorite kind of shift. And so the two shades I'm going to be comparing on the lid are Rosette from Pastel Roses UK at the top. And below that is Deja Vu from Touch of Glam Beauty, and these were both gifted to me, so thank you so much to the brands for sending me these to try out. And as you can see, they're almost identical, very, very similar. So before we get into the demo, leave a comment below which side you think is which, and then you can edit your comment later to see if you were right or wrong, and let's get right into the application. So for the mattes, I'm just going to show you one eye. I'm going to be using my Bernovich eyeshadows. This is N14, I'm going to put it right in the crease. So I'm just gonna pack it on and then start blending it out in the edges. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more right into my crease. And then on the outer corner, gonna go in with the shade 83. I wanted to do a somewhat more neutral look, just to switch it up. I do a lot of colorful looks with multichromes, so I kind of wanted to do a softer look like this. I mean, you know, it might still be not soft enough, but packing on a little bit more in the outer corner. I'm going to take it just a little bit into my crease, but not a lot. Whatever's kind of left on my brush. I finished the other eye and I just extended the darker shade under my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with Rosette on this eye and Deja Vu on this eye. I'm going to use my MAC 242 brush and I'm going to pick up the shadow and I'm going to dampen it with just some water. And I'm going to do this for both the shades. So I'm not going to be using any sort of a special primer or anything. I'm just want to see how these apply with a dampened brush, and then I'm probably going to go over it with my finger as well. So this is not picking up the greatest on this brush, but it's laying down little by little. It definitely seems harder pressed, so I just went in, I really dug my brush in there, and then I really sprayed it, and it's applying so much better. Oh, that is such, I just love this shade. This is one of my favorite multichrome types of shades. The shift is just so prominent in this kind of color. And so this is how that shade looks on the lid. I wiped off the brush, but I'm also going to use the other side of it. I can tell that Deja Vu definitely picked up a lot easier. So again, just wet it a little bit. And just applying it. Definitely need to go back in. Just sprayed my mic a little bit, so hopefully that's fine. Hopefully it won't short circuit or something. So I'm just doing a half cut crease. And you definitely couldn't really tell that I have two different multichromes on my lid. I think this purple just looks a little bit more vibrant. Now that this is dried down, it doesn't look as metallic. So we'll see if this side looks still this metallic once it dries down. But I still feel like this looks just a bit more vibrant. Do you see that? So let me apply it with a finger on top. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I feel like that really helps. And definitely really just amped it up a bit. And now it just seems like it's more on par with this shade. So let me go in on this side as well. So this is probably going to make it even more metallic. Look at how metallic this is. Like, so beautiful. Definitely amping it up a little bit. Even more, just even more metallic. So here's the Touch of Glam Deja Vu side. Super metallic. And here's the Pastel Roses UK Rosette side. Still very shifty. I think it's just the shade. It might be just a bit less of a vibrant purple straight on. So was your guess right or wrong? I really think that I could go out with this look from the same multichromes from 2 different brands and no one would know that I have 2 different multichromes on the lid. I think the Touch of Glam shade is more metallic, just on the lid especially. I think swatch they look pretty similar. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much multichrome content and much more to come, especially during 12 days of multichromas. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.